Hey guys, what's up? It is Tuesday. It is my last day off before I go back to work. So I am just finishing up whatever I have to do before I go into work tomorrow. I did a YouTube video earlier while I finished editing and got that posted online after like a month of not posting. But hey, I am still somewhat being consistent, so I am giving myself a pat on the back for that. Yeah, my days off this week were great. I feel like I got a lot accomplished, a lot of the big girl stuff that I've been putting off and just some things around the house. And now I am just doing this. So what I'm doing right here is all of my keychains that I made. Look at these. They're so freaking cute. I may have mentioned in another video that this is what I do on the side. It's like a hobby, but I am opening up a Etsy shop, so I need to take photos and videos of every keychain that I made, and I need to upload those to my computer and edit them. I'm gonna give it a cute background for my shop, and yeah, so I'm excited to do that. And if you guys are interested, I will show you how my shop comes out, but it's kind of just, I'm just going with the flow of that. Like, I'm not rushing it or anything. I just want to enjoy it. It's like a little passion project slash hobby slash whatever. It takes my mind off of my normal day-to-day busyness. So yeah, I am just going to bring you guys along with me this week. My appointments tomorrow, I think I have 4 appointments tomorrow, so it should be chill. And yeah, I will see you guys then.
Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen dreams. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not my bitch. If you become a I be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? All depend. They can ride the whip. I no fit, die for nothing. What's it come? All depend. They can ride the whip. I no fit.
Hey guys, good morning. It is Saturday morning, so I have 4 appointments today. I just have to clean up from yesterday. I worked a little bit late, so in my normal fashion, I left everything and said I'm gonna do this in the morning. So I'm gonna get everything cleaned up, ready to go, and my first appointment will be here in a little bit. This little crusty bottle is empty. I actually did really like this top coat, so I will be buying this again. But for now, farewell. Because the ice maker's on, so when I come in the morning, I just get my ice maker ready for any of the drinks that I'm going to make throughout the day. People don't always get drinks, but I just like to make sure it's ready for when they do. I typically offer like an iced coffee, hot coffee, cold or hot teas. Sometimes they have like some kind of specialty drinks, like a lemonade or something. So it just really depends on the week and what I have. But right now I'm going to get coffee ready. So that way when my first appointment comes in, the option is there if she'd like to have a drink. I have a package from Sweetie Supply, which is always one of my favorite type of packages to receive. Nail mail with some goodies. In this package, I just picked up some top coats. Oh, there they went. Oh. I picked up some stickers and top coats. So there's some white bows. Can't even see. Some black bows. 2 top coats. I haven't tried these before, so I wanted to give these a try. This is one of my favorite top coats right now for like shorter, natural nails. It's very thick. And then I picked up this random nude beige color.
This girl is a bum to me, like that boy is a cop. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like, yo, send me a pin. Look at my shit, cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Finished up my first appointment. Those nails were really freaking cute. We had to go a little simpler for her job because they said she can't do anything extra anymore. So that was her version and our version of simple. I have my next appointment about to come in like 20 minutes. So in the meantime, I am just going to get things cleaned up from throughout the week, which is like, you know, a Saturday deep clean, which is what I do. I do the daily cleaning and then I do one big clean at the end of the week before I close for a few days. I'm actually gonna have an early day today, which I am excited about. I had a cancellation that just happened last minute and then another appointment rescheduled. So an easy, chill Saturday. I am a little tired. It's a like rainy-ish, gloomy day outside. So it's a great day to go home, cook something, and just chill. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up in here with my appointment that's coming in and call it an early day. I'm excited. In the meantime, I'm gonna make a coffee and wake up a little bit more. The sun is out, which is awesome because it was really gloomy. And I just finished up with my last appointment. So yeah, it's an early day. It's like 2:40 p.m. The sun is out. And I'm gonna deep clean everything before I leave here and be on my way home. My last appointment was someone new. It's the second time she's come to me, so I did not record doing her nails because you know, it's a little bit between like being nervous and also I want someone to be comfortable and me not being a weirdo recording throughout the whole process. Like I wait until like the third or fourth appointment for something like that, because sometimes people are like a little uncomfortable with that and then I get nervous because I don't want them to be uncomfortable and I don't want to feel weird. I don't know, it's stupid, but yeah, so now you guys can watch me clean up and get ready to leave. You guys, I am trying to freaking do this nail trend, okay? We remember that magnet gel trend with the heart from last year, which is, you know, circling back around for this year because Valentine's Day. I have a big bag of paper clips. So I have this one right here. This is my second one. And so far we are not accomplishing this trend. And I think it's just so freaking hard. And maybe it's the magnets I have, but I have like 4 different types of magnets. And I don't feel like special ordering a magnet just for this. So once again, my clients might be SOL because I'm really putting a little bit of effort into it. Well, actually I'm putting a whole I'm putting a whole lot of effort into this, but I'm not going to keep trying to figure it out. Like, I'm going to use the tools I have, and if it works, it works. If it doesn't, then no. So here's where we're at right now. And I'm going to activate this cat eye because I've watched a million tutorials and that was one suggestion. Like, shift it around. You see, this is a lot of effort. And then you gotta find the right side of the magnet to stick this one. I just really don't know. It's looking like it's just a freaking blob. You can't even see it, but it's nothing. Clearly it's nothing.
but you don't wanna fall